Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Discovery Plus on Amazon FireStick. For that, on the home page, you just have to simply use your remote and you just have to come to this search icon and click on it. After that, you just have to use this keyboard and type Discovery Plus in this search bar. Once you are able to find Discovery Plus icon, you just have to simply click on it. Once click on it, you will be able to see the get or the download button. So you just have to tap on it in order to download and install it in your Fire Stick. Now once it is downloaded successfully and installed successfully, you just have to tap on open in order to launch it. Now it will redirect you on Discovery Plus application where you just have to provide your login credentials and you need to simply log in into your account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.